If you're posting videos anywhere on social media today, or if you're selling courses or content, securing your videos and making sure that they're protected is a growing issue. So for example, you can Google pretty much any one of my past and probably current courses and find knockoff versions of them being sold on shady websites for a lot cheaper, where somebody has probably signed up for my course, downloaded or stolen the videos, and is now selling them themselves. Now, obviously, I can have Google or PayPal or whoever else take those down, and I could probably even sue that person for doing that, but that takes time, it takes effort, and it takes money to even go that route in the first place. And it's not just me. Chances are you can Google almost anybody who sells a course that you're interested in, and with some effort and the right keywords, find it cheaper for a pirated version of their course being sold secondhand. And this isn't just for courses either. It's just video content in general. We're talking TikTok shop videos, TikTok affiliate videos, Amazon influencer videos, YouTube videos, right? You can download all of these instantly and then just upload them again to other sites to make money in a number of ways. Now, piracy not only leads to revenue loss for the creator, which is us obviously, but it also compromises potentially sensitive content and damages credibility. Now, traditional video hosting solutions often fall short of actually addressing these key issues, which leaves creators like us extremely vulnerable with our content. And this is where Cipher can actually help you protect your video content. Traditional video hosting platforms often fall short in addressing these key issues, leaving creators very vulnerable with their content. But this is where Cipher can actually help you protect your video content. They offer a secure video hosting service that's designed to actually protect your content from piracy and unauthorized access, and even put watermarks on all your content automatically so you can easily identify and provide the necessary proof if you have to. Whether you're a small content creator, whether you're an e-commerce seller trying to get sales with your videos, whether you're trying to do product reviews on YouTube, or whether you're a big business trying to increase your actual brand awareness, this is a massive problem that has fallen in the lap of everyone in the industry. And most sites that we're uploading to lack the necessary security measures to prevent piracy and unauthorized distribution, which is going to lead to significant revenue loss. And this is particularly detrimental for online course sellers and content creators who rely on their video content as a primary source of income. But you can use Cipher instead of some of these other platforms like Teachable or Kajabi, and make sure instead that your videos are solely streamed to only authorized users. Or you can even put watermarks on all your videos to better protect it and deter piracy if you do want to upload it elsewhere as well. All right, so here's how this service can actually protect your content. So first and foremost, they use digital rights management to actually ensure that your video content is encrypted and secure from piracy. It's going to prevent unauthorized access and unauthorized downloads, which makes it incredibly difficult for unauthorized users to access and distribute your content, unlike most places where you can just download it easily. Another one of the standout features, like I said, is the ability to add customizable watermarking to every video. And this feature is ultimately going to deter screen capturing and downloading of your videos and make it easier for you to identify and prevent unauthorized use and re-uploads to actually find them and take them down. This also prevents your videos from being vulnerable to downloader plugins that some people might be using to look through the code of each website and then download the video content with that actual code with ease. You can even restrict certain locations, certain countries, and certain IP addresses to access your content entirely if, for example, one person is constantly trying to do it, or you run into an issue with one specific country. You can just cut off all access to that IP or that country entirely. It'll also prevent screen recording, which is really cool, so that if somebody actually wanted to go the lazy route and just screen record it because they couldn't download it, the site would prevent that too. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. I remember a video that Sam Ovens did a while back talking to his mastermind about how he has a specialized DMCA person to actually contact PayPal, Google, and other websites and reach out personally to those people pirating his stuff since it's getting so out of hand. He also had a lawyer sending cease and desist letters to these people as well. And all of that costs a lot of money to actually protect your videos, but it makes sense, obviously. So if you're starting to do well, whether you're an individual or a business and you need to start protecting your content, this might be something that can help you a lot. It's not like we own a physical store and we can protect it with a security guard or lock it down at night when it's closed. Our most valuable assets are our content, which is always vulnerable around the clock. So if you'd like to try Video Cipher, you can do so through the first link in the description. It is a no-brainer for us content creators that need to start protecting it. This is going to extend beyond just preventing piracy too. By providing a secure platform, it's going to enable educators, content creators, and businesses to share their best content online without the fear of revenue loss or theft. Hope it helps.